Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Glow Up podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
My name is Luna.
And I'm Zay.
This podcast is for English learners who want to speak English with more confidence.
We use easy English, simple grammar, and real-life conversations.
Today's topic is very useful for students.
Yes. Today we are talking about student and teacher conversations.
We will learn how students talk to teachers in the USA.
We will practice easy classroom English.
You will hear greetings, questions, homework talk, classroom problems, and friendly conversations.
This episode is great for beginners.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us if you want.
And don't forget to like, follow, and share the English Glow Up podcast.
Okay, let's start learning English together.
Luna, do you remember your first day at school?
Oh, yes. I was nervous.
Me too.
In the USA, many students say simple greetings to teachers on the first day.
Let's practice some easy sentences.
A student can say, "Good morning, teacher," or "Hello, Miss Brown."
In the USA, students often call teachers Mr. or Mrs. with their last name.
For example, Mr. Johnson, Miss Taylor, Mrs. Smith.
Let's do a small conversation.
Good morning, Miss Taylor.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too.
Very simple and polite.
Yes, beginners can use these sentences every day.
Students ask many questions in class.
Yes, let's learn common classroom questions. Can you help me?
Can you repeat that?
I don't understand.
How do you spell that?
Can I go to the bathroom?
These are very important classroom sentences in the USA.
Let's practice a conversation.
Miss Brown, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I don't understand this math problem.
No problem. Let me explain it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you hear that?
The teacher spoke slowly and politely.
And the student used respectful English.
Homework is a big topic at school.
Very true.
Students often ask homework questions.
When is the homework due?
I forgot my homework.
I finished my homework.
I need more time.
What page should we read?
Did everyone finish the homework?
I finished mine.
Great job.
But I have one question.
Sure. What is it?
Which pages should we read for tomorrow?
Please read pages 25 to 30.
Okay. Thank you. Sometimes students arrive late.
Yes, it happens.
Let's learn polite ways to speak.
Sorry I'm late.
The bus was late.
It won't happen again.
May I come in? May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Short and polite.
That is very common in American schools.
Now let's learn classroom vocabulary.
These words are very useful for beginners.
Pencil, pen, notebook, desk, backpack, whiteboard, marker, eraser, chair, textbook. I forgot my notebook.
Can I borrow a pencil?
My backpack is heavy.
The teacher is writing on the whiteboard.
Students borrow things all the time.
Especially pencils.
Can I borrow your pen?
Do you have an extra pencil?
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Hey, do you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
Can I borrow it?
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem. Teachers give many instructions in class.
Students need to understand these common phrases. Open your books.
Please listen carefully.
Work with a partner.
Write your name on the paper.
Please be quiet.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Wilson.
Open your books to page 12.
Okay.
Please work with a partner.
I will work with Sarah.
Great.
Students also talk to classmates.
Yes. Friendship is important at school.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
Which class are you in?
Do you like English?
Hi, my name is Olivia.
Hi, Olivia. I'm Ethan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first day?
Yes, it is.
Me too.
American schools usually have lunch breaks.
Students often eat in the cafeteria, lunch tray, sandwich, juice, pizza, salad, milk, cookie. What are you eating?
I'm eating pizza.
It looks good.
Do you want some?
No thanks. I have a sandwich.
Cool.
Tests can make students nervous.
Very nervous sometimes.
When is the test?
Will the test be hard?
Can we study together?
What should we study? Miss Taylor, when is the English test?
It is on Friday.
What should we study?
Study chapters 3 and 4.
Okay. Thank you. Sometimes teachers speak fast.
That's true for many English learners. Can you say that again?
Can you speak slowly?
I didn't hear you.
Please open your workbook and complete exercise 6.
Sorry. Can you say that again?
Of course. Complete exercise 6.
Okay. Thank you. American classrooms often use group work.
Students work together and talk together.
Let's work together.
What do you think?
That's a good idea.
I agree.
We need a topic for our project.
How about American food?
That's a good idea.
We can talk about burgers and pizza.
Great!
Let's learn school subjects.
English, math, science, history, art, music, geography, physical education. What's your favorite subject?
I like history
Why?
because I love learning about the USA.
Nice! Teachers usually check attendance every morning.
Let's practice.
Emma,
Present.
Noah,
Here.
Sophia.
She is absent today. Sometimes students need to leave school early.
Yes, maybe for a doctor appointment. My mom is here.
I need to leave early.
I have a doctor appointment.
Miss Green, I need to leave early today.
Okay. Is everything all right?
Yes. I have a dentist appointment.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Every classroom has rules.
Rules help students learn better.
Raise your hand. Be respectful. Listen carefully. Don't run. Finish your homework. Be on time. Please raise your hand before speaking.
Okay, Miss Lee.
And please don't use your phone in class.
Sorry. I will put it away. Students also talk about grades.
Yes, especially in high school and college. I got an A.
I passed the test.
I need to study more.
My grade improved. I got a good grade on my test.
That's wonderful.
I studied all week.
Your hard work helped. Some students talk to teachers after class.
Usually to ask questions.
Excuse me, Miss Brown?
Yes?
Can you explain today's homework again?
Of course.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Many students also take online classes now.
Let's learn online classroom English. Microphone, camera, internet, Zoom, laptop, headphones. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Please turn on your cameras.
Okay,
Does anyone have questions?
my microphone is not working.
Let's talk a little about schools in the USA.
Good idea.
Many students ride a yellow school bus.
Students usually say homeroom, cafeteria, and locker,
American schools often have sports teams too.
like basketball, football, and baseball.
Do you play sports at school?
Yes, I play basketball.
That's awesome.
What about you?
I'm in the music club.
Teachers often give projects.
Students work alone or in teams. When is the project due?
What should we include?
Can we use pictures?
Mr. Carter, when is the project due?
It is due next Monday.
Can we use pictures?
Yes, of course. Teachers sometimes ask students about dreams and goals.
Let's practice.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
That's great.
What about you?
I want to be a teacher.
Okay, everyone. Let's practice pronunciation.
Repeat after us. Teacher,
Student,
homework,
classroom,
notebook,
question.
excellent. Good students use polite words.
Very important.
Please. Thank you. Excuse me. Sorry. You're welcome. Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Teachers often encourage students.
Encouragement helps students feel confident. Great job.
You can do it.
Keep practicing.
I'm proud of you. I'm nervous about speaking English.
Don't worry. Keep practicing.
Okay.
You're doing a great job. Wow, we learned so many useful classroom conversations today.
Yes. Let's review some important phrases.
Can you help me?
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
Sorry, I'm late.
When is the homework due?
Can I borrow a pencil? Good students ask questions.
Yes, asking questions helps you learn faster. Does anyone have questions?
Yes, I do.
Go ahead.
What does assignment mean?
Assignment means homework or classwork.
Oh, I understand now.
Great.
American schools have many activities.
Like clubs, sports, music, and art. Are you joining any school clubs?
Yes, I joined the chess club.
That sounds fun.
What club are you in?
I'm in the art club. Sometimes students give presentations in class,
Many students feel nervous.
but practice helps a lot.
Miss Taylor, I'm nervous about my presentation.
That's okay. Just speak slowly.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are normal. Keep trying.
Thank you for encouraging me.
You can do it.
Some students need extra help after class.
Teachers usually help kindly. Mr. Brown, can you help me after school?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I need help with English grammar.
No problem. We can practice together.
Thank you so much. Many American schools have libraries.
Libraries are quiet places for reading and studying.
Library, librarian, book, computer, study table.
Excuse me, where is the history section?
It's on the second floor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good teachers motivate students.
Positive words can make students feel confident.
Excellent work.
Keep going.
You are improving.
Nice pronunciation.
Your English is getting better.
Really.
Yes, your speaking is improving.
That makes me happy. Today we practiced more student and teacher conversations.
We learned how to ask questions, join activities, give presentations, and ask for help.
Remember, speaking English every day is very important.
Don't worry about small mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Thank you for listening to the English Glow Up podcast.
We hope you enjoyed part 2 of student and teacher conversations.
Keep practicing your English little by little.
And don't forget to speak out loud.
Before we go, here's today's fun question.
If you were a teacher, what subject would you teach?
Tell us your answer.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time on the English Glow Up podcast.